Friends, today is the World Students' Day, a day dedicated to all students around world and to honor the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, one of India's greatest scientists, leader and people's president.
ಈ ದಿನವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಯುವ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳು ದೇಶದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವೆಂದು ನಂಬಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಯುವಕರ ಉದ್ರಿಕ್ತ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ.
Dr. Kalam once said, "Dream is not which you see while sleeping, it's something that does not let you sleep." These words are magical. They have the potential to help us dream, imagine and create something that the world has never seen before. Coming from a fisherman community at Rameshwaram to becoming president at Rashtrapati Bhavan, his journey has shown us that how education can truly transform the destiny. Dr. Abdul Kalam envisioned that today's students are the architect of tomorrow's India and the world. On the World Students' Day, more than a commemoration, it's a day of celebrating youth, creativity and spirit. Let us carry out the legacy of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our beloved people's president. As a student, this day inspired us to dream big, work hard and never give up.
ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ರೂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.